Buying a car insurance is easy. But what happens when you accidentally get into an accident? Well, now you actually need to use it. But filing a claim can be confusing, time-consuming, and just like a broken-down car, really hard to navigate. That's why Policybazaar.ae is introducing PP Advantage Claim Assurance. Your no drama, no confusing, no what form is this way to handle car insurance claims. With the Claim Assurance, you get dedicated claims concierge, someone by your side from start to finish. Priority garage access and on-ground support. No more waiting, no more guesswork. Real-time digital claim tracking. Know what's happening at every stage. And you also get repair warranty and quality checks, so your car gets the care it deserves. We don't just sell insurance, we're the friend who shows up with solutions and game plan when things go sideways. PB Advantage Claim Assurance, only on Policybazaar.ae, your partner before, during, and after the drive.